Hello everyone, welcome to the revision session. So today we are going to revise chapter number 1 of geography of class 7. Okay, environment. So in today's session all the questions will be the MCQs only. Okay? So let us revise. Don't keep anything with you. I'll be dictating the question. The question is visible on your screen. Okay? And you'll be getting around 10 seconds to answer all the questions. So there are altogether 14 questions you all can see. So let's start the quiz. Got it? So the first question is, Ravi's teacher told him that the world around is always changing. New buildings come in place of open grounds and forests are turned into farms. The variety of birds and animals also changes because of this. When he asked his parents about it, they said that it's true that our environment changes all the time. Now, what is the environment? You'll be getting around 10 seconds. The time starts now. Okay, so let's look at the answer. So the correct answer is option number 2. Let's check it whether it is correct or not. Yes, it is right. I got the answer right. So let's move to question number 2. The environment is divided into three components: natural, human, and human made. Now, which of the following are examples of natural components of our environment? Option number 1, buildings, hoardings, schools, houses. Number 2, men, women, children, people. Number 3, community, religion, economy, political situations. Or number 4, trees, rivers, mountains, and valleys. Time starts now. Okay, time up. So, according to me, the correct answer will be option number 4, trees, rivers, mountains, valleys. Let's check it. Yes, I got it right. So, option number 4 is the right answer. Question number 3. Be ready. Our ancestors adapted to the natural environment without making much changes to it, living in caves on a simple diet of plants or animals. But as times changed, our needs increased and we started modifying, even at times destroying the natural environment. So, which of the following disturbs the balance in our natural environment? Option number 1, planting more trees. Option number 2, building less factories. Option number 3, releasing chemical wastes of factories into rivers. Or option number 4, recycling more. Your time starts now. Okay, time up. So let me guess my answer. I guess option number 3, releasing chemical wastes of factories into rivers. So let's check it. Yeah, I got it right. It's option number 3 only. Let's move to another question. Question number 4. Biotic means related to living, such as plants, animals, etc. Whereas abiotic is the opposite and means without life, such as rocks, rivers, winds, etc. Which environment are biotic and abiotic both? So option number 1, the human environment. Option number 2, the natural environment. Option number 3, the economic environment. And the last option is the social environment. The time starts now. Okay, time up. So according to me, option number 2 is the right answer, the natural environment. Yeah, it's correct. Let's move to another question, question number 5. The Earth's solid crust, the hard and thin top layer of the Earth, is made of rocks and minerals. It is covered by a thin layer of soil, and this is where most trees grow and animals and humans live. What is the Earth's crust also known as? The lithosphere, the biosphere, the hydrosphere, or the atmosphere? So, according to me, today also we studied the same thing. It's option number 1, the lithosphere. Okay, I didn't give time for this, but because you all must be knowing this, and it's correct. So, question number 6. Land is found over the continents and also on the ocean floors under deep waters. And the lithosphere is the top hard, thin soiled layer of the earth that contains all the various landforms such as mountains, plains, valleys, and option number 1 rivers, option number 2 lakes, option number 3 oxygen, or option number 4 plateaus. The time starts now. Time up. It's option number 4, plateaus. Let's check it. Yeah, it's right. Now, question number 7. The environment we live in is made up of many parts related to the air, water, land, and life, which is the domain of the environment that is also called the planet's crust and contains the land we use for farming, building houses, industries, roads, and for mining oil and minerals. Is it option number 1, the biosphere? Option number 2, the hydrosphere? Option number 3, the atmosphere? Or option number 4, lithosphere? Your time starts now. Yeah, time up. So, according to me, option number 4, the lithosphere, should be the correct answer. Let's check it. Yeah, option number 4, the lithosphere, is the correct answer. Now, question number 8. The environment we live in is made up of many parts related to the air, water, land, and life. The lithosphere is the domain part of the environment that is also called the planet's crust, and it contains the land we use for farming, building houses, industries, roads, and for mining oil and minerals. Similarly, the domain of water is referred to as the hydrosphere. It comprises various dash of water and different types of dash such as rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. So what will be inserted in the blanks? Option number 1, insects, animals. Option number 2, plants, herbs. Option number 3, sources, water bodies. Or option number 4, colors, water. Your time starts now. Okay, time up. So according to me, the correct answer will be option number 3. It comprises various sources of water and different types of water bodies. Let's check it whether I got it right or not. Yeah, absolutely, it's right. So option number 3. Now let's move to another question. Question number 9. The environment we live in is made up of many parts related to the air, water, land, and life. The water related part of the environment is called the hydrosphere, hydro meaning water. The one related to life is called the biosphere, and the upper layer of rock and soil is called the lithosphere. Similarly, what is the domain of the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth called? The biosphere, the nososphere, the atmosphere, or the environment? The time starts now. Okay, time up. So according to me, the correct answer will be option number 3, the atmosphere. The thin layer of air that surrounds the earth is called the atmosphere. Yeah, I got it right. So let's move to another question. Question number 10. Changes in atmosphere bring about changes in the weather and climate, which may be harmful to humans because the air in the atmosphere has many gases and a lot of dust and water vapor. Which of the following does the atmosphere protect us from? At animals, option number 2, wars, option number 3, ultraviolet rays of the sun, and option number 4, insects. Time starts now. It's quite easy. Majority of you will get it correct. Time up. So according to me, it's option number 3, ultraviolet rays of the sun. Let's check it. Yeah, it's correct. Now let's move to question number 11. All plants, animals, and human beings depend on their immediate surroundings for life supporting nutrients. Often they are also interdependent on each other. What is this relationship among the living as well as between the living and their surroundings forms called? Is it called the ecosystem? Or option number 2, the animal kingdom? Option number 3, forests? Or option number 4, biosphere? Your time starts now. Okay, time up. So according to me, it's option number 1, the ecosystem. Let's check it. Yeah, absolutely correct. Ecosystem will be the correct answer of this question. So let's move to question number 12. Humans change the environment to make their lives safer and more comfortable. Which environment is this modification of natural environment by humans to meet their ever growing needs for food, money, products, technology, etc. a part of? Is it the part of option number 1, the human environment, option number 2, the forest environment, option number 3, the natural environment, or the last option, the animal environment? Your time starts now. Okay, time up. So according to me, it is the part of the human environment. Let's check it. Yeah, it's correct. The human environment only will be the correct answer. Now let's move to the second last question. The environment is made up of the hydrosphere. Hydra means water. The atmosphere means related to air and the sky. The lithosphere, lithos means stone. And the biosphere, bio means life. The biosphere is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water, and air interact with each other to support life, and which kingdoms together make the biosphere. बहुत बार पढ़ा हम लोगों ने. Okay, so the options are option number 1, the human and animal kingdom. Option number 2, the plant and animal kingdom. Option number 3, plant and human kingdom. Or option number 4, the human and reptile kingdom. Your time has started. Okay, time up. So according to me, the correct answer will be option number 2, the plant and animal kingdom. Let's check it. Yeah, absolutely correct. Now moving to the last question of today's session. We like sipping hot cups of coffee or milk on winter evenings and relish or enjoy the scoops of ice cream on hot summer days. This is because there is harmony, a good connection between us, means the human environment and the natural environment. So, which are the following activities of humans disturb the natural environment very much? Option number 1, planting banana trees. Option number 2, using bicycles. Option number 3, building wooden huts in deserts. Or option number 4, throwing industrial and other wastes into the water bodies such as ponds, lakes, and rivers. Which human activities disturb the natural environment very much? Okay, your time starts now. Okay, time up. So the last question's correct answer, according to me, will be option number 4. Throwing industrial and other wastes into ponds, lakes, and rivers. Let's check it. Yeah, it's correct. Now I'll be reviewing the quiz. Okay, it's saying that one is unsolved. I might have left it. No problem. Okay, so now this is the end of today's session. Tomorrow again at 6:30 the video will be premiered from chapter number 2 of geography. So be ready. And once again I'll be it's the sound of lightning. I was also afraid a little bit. So once again I'll be putting a session related to chapter 1 because it's not at all complete. So subscribe to the channel to get regular updates and it will surely help you. So as soon as we'll be finishing the revision work of social science, okay, I'll be uploading the questions, not only the question, the practice questions in the form of quiz only of science subject also. And we'll be trying to make some videos related to science, the chapters which are very important for the examination point of view. So till then, keep on subscribing, keep on liking, keep on commenting, and keep on enjoying the lockdown. Thank you very much.